Hey guys, it's me Jaita and welcome back to my channel Nature Elegancy Jaita. So as you can see in my title that my today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial video, and in my today's video I will show you how to do makeup before going to office. So I just keep this look quite simple, easy as well as very quick, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि हम में से किसी के पास भी ऑफिस जाने से पहले इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं रहता है कि बहुत सारा मेकअप लगाओ. So if you wanna see how I achieve this simple, classy, quick office makeup look, then please keep on watching till the end. And without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna start with my Dabur Gulabari Rose Water with a cotton ball. And basically rose water helps to maintain the pH balance and also controls the excessive oil of our skin and helps to keep our skin hydrated. Secondly, I'm just gonna moisturize my skin, and for that purpose I'm using the Ayur Herbal Moisturizer. You know, moisturizer is an essential part of your daily skincare routine. And for this makeup, I'm using my moisturizer as a makeup primer, just to prep my skin before applying makeup. Now just to keep my lips so soft and extra hydrated, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm. Now moving to the next part, I'm using the Fair & Lovely BB Cream. Actually, for a daily purpose makeup, I don't think we need a full coverage. So I'm just taking a BB cream instead of a foundation. Now just to keep this tutorial simple and easy, I'm just using my fingers to blend the BB cream. This product, I mean Fair & Lovely BB cream, claims to give you a sun protection also, as it has SPF 15 in it. So you don't need to apply another sunscreen. But if you want an extra sun protection, then you may go for another sunscreen before applying the BB cream. So girls, I just want to tell you one thing, that while you applying any kind of foundations or BB cream or any kind of CC cream, never forget your neck as well as your ears. Now just to set everything, I'm applying the White Super Fresh Compact in the shade Shale from Maybelline New York. I'm applying this compact all over my face. It will give a matte kind of finish and will help to stay my makeup perfectly throughout all the day. Next, moving on to my brows, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Brow Pencil in the shade Brunettes Do It Better. You know, for this makeup, I don't want any drama in my eyebrows and I just want something natural. So I'm just filling my brows and brushing it with a spoolie which is given back of the pencil. It's a pretty good eyebrow pencil I have ever used. The formula of the pencil is so good and it gives you a natural looking dark brownish eyebrows, which is perfectly okay for the Indian skin tone. Now this step is absolutely optional for you guys and you may skip this step. I'm just applying the Lakme Iconic Kajal in the outer corner of my lower lash line as well as in my upper waterline. If you don't want to apply the kajal in your eyes, then just skip this step. Next, to curl my lashes and to give it an extra volume, I am using the Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express Mascara. You may skip the Kajal, you may skip the liner, but if you want a sufficient polished look, then you must have to apply the mascara. Here I am applying the mascara on my upper lash line as well as my lower lash line. Now just coming to the last step and the most important step, which is a lipstick. In my point of view, makeup is just incomplete without a lipstick. Whatever. There are many outfits where bold color lipsticks are not allowed. So I'm just applying a natural, beautiful, everyday wearable color. And this is the Ellie Color Pop Matte Lipstick in the shade Mauve Dead. So I hope you enjoy this video a lot, and if really that, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, or till now if you are not a subscriber of my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications first. I will be back in my next videos. Till then, take care and bye.